Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn. In this video I'll show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. Watch this video till the end, write the comments, the lucky one will receive $100 to the balance of the website. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So today we'll trade on broker pocket option with the amount $51. And we choose this amount. The time of our deals today will be 1 minute. One deal equals 1 minute. Therefore, we move on to our chart, minute time frame for our trading session. Upper area of the screen you see currencies. These are the currencies, 8 of them. Today we'll trade with this currencies. So we should reach the amount of approximately $600, I think. Yeah. So our indicators for today: alligator. The first one is located on our chart. Its parameters, I'll tell you about it a little, and in practice I'll show you how to work correctly with these indicators settings. If you need it, just copy it and use it. This indicator reflects the state of our market at each moment in time. It shows when the market is in the flats, when the market is in the impulse, and when the impulse begins and ends. So simple words, the green moving one overcomes and prevails in our chart. The upward trend is red, accordingly even more so. It will probably be correct to show here. Red is the intersect them. The second indicator, you can see it, vertex. It's even simpler than the alligator. Its parameters. So this indicator consists of two lines, the green in red, VI plus and VI minus respectively. Green indicates a positive market movement and growth, and respectively red and negative market movements and, so to speak, a loss of market movements in lower position. Both lines are measured over 2 periods. Its moving one is directed. I would say even more does not correctly overcome the directed upper position. So what to say more? In the middle of the video I'll show you my secret about trading, so just watch it. And we move on to the next concept, to our first concept, with which we will begin our trading session. Here we are. Let's open up trade and begin technical analysis. The moment in the last period, we noticed that we had a drawdown in the form of one red candle. It's quite large volume, but nevertheless we're already undergoing at least a small new founding. At this recovery we open a deal. Due to this drawdown, the chart will turn around a little, but nevertheless it's clear that it's still holding smoothly, thereby maintaining the advantage of the downtrend. Next we look at our indicator vertex. Yeah, and resistance level, we reached it. 6 seconds left until the end of the deal. Yeah, plus deal, good. profit is $40. $91 on our balance. Yeah, the second concept, down deal, and we start our technical analysis. The trade here is quite simple. We don't need to use our two indicators here even. So because we clearly have an area of resistance, we have reached this area of resistance that is quite strong for us, and currently we are more in order. We will have a turnaround here. We reached once and turnaround. Yeah, second time we reached the use. So buy alligator and buy vertex we see upward trend. So here you clearly see it. Let's see. So 6 seconds left before the deal. 2. Yeah, great. The deal closes in plus $165 on our balance. Yeah, quite easy. Every trader we have is successful. Yeah. Let's remove this concept. It's 65%, not a good percent. Let's increase $165. Yeah, third concept, down deal, and we start our technical analysis. In the last range, we clearly have a drawdown. And for this drawdown, this is due to the fact that we had a fairly strong upward trend. Currently, a downward trend has now begun, and so I would say the recovery is on chart at the moment. For alligator, general upward trend. Blue one has already taken the lead. Vertex, the same situation. Green, moving average, we see in the lower position. So 8 seconds left until the end of the deal. Zoom it. Drawdown is increasing. It's more or less stable. We increase our deal amount $299, and we move on to the next concept. Yeah, here we are, down deal, and we start technical analysis. The moment we see a drawdown at the last drive, yeah, it's signal to open down. We see that the general trend in us is both global and the latest advanced one. By alligator, general trend is upward. By vertex, the same situation. Let's see. 17 seconds left until the end. Zoom. Our points of opening. Yeah, good. Plus deal. Our balance is almost $550. Let's take a moment to look at this concept. So first, we have already greatly increased our balance. That reminds you that I repeat all this. It's on my Telegram channel. You can find it. So you see this table. It's my trading plan for 7 days, and you can find in my VIP group for 7 days, for 14 days, for 3 weeks, for a month, and so on. So the first deposit is $50. The amount of each deal is $5. So it's 10% of the deposit amount itself. And we have about 7-8 profitable deals every day. So just follow the link in the description. You can find my Telegram channel. You can write to me and I'll answer you and send you this trading plan.
Hello traders, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you will find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
Reduce it to $100. Here we are reading the next concept, up deal, and we start our technical analysis. Global upward trend visible here, and I'll say it quite confident. Yeah. In general, slight pullback, but our upward trend, so to say, will immediately continue. By alligator, we see green line is prevail on our chart. By vertex, we see downward trend is prevail. It's by our pullbacks, so it's enough to use just general technical analysis to understand how to open the deal. Let's wait for closure. Yeah, plus deal, we see it's very nice. Profit is $85. Good. And let's increase the next amount. No, let's not increase the position, just let's move on to the next concept. Here we will open a downward trade. We see some drawdown, recovery, and drawdown. For this latest drawdown, we open a down position. Our chart will continue to go down. While it is the same situation, we see red and green lines are directed down, blue to the upper position, it's prevail. By vertex, the same. Red is up. So 15 seconds left until the end of the deal. Let's zoom it for more convenience. At the moment, unfortunately, the chart has not yet decided on the direction of the trend, so let's just wait. Yeah, good. The deal is closed with the profits, and we'll immediately move on to the next concept. $200. Next concept, we open up deal and start our technical analysis. Support area. We here. It should be reversal, and we open the deal like here. By alligator, we see intersection. Yeah, it's enough for just technical analysis to open this deal. Nevertheless, our trend is fresh, so it doesn't mean anything. 4 seconds left until the end. Let's increase it, zoom it, so yep, plus deal, good. We'll move on to the next concept. Let's remove them. 70%, not very pleasant. 70. I'll talk about the percentage of payment later. Let's leave for concept pairs for now. Payout percentages. Good. Here we are. Up deal, and we start our technical analysis. some kinds of consolidation we see. I recommend that you skip such moments. Unfortunately, consolidation is not always pleasant. That is, in consolidation there are often chaotic moments. So, but nevertheless, opens at the maximum low movement. When we reach the lower zones of this consolidation, and accordingly we move to the upper zone. While later we see blue moving average is still dominant. Nevertheless, this happens due to the fact that we have two red candles. 8 seconds left until the end of the deal. Let's see. Opening points. Yeah, our deal closes at 0. This also happens. I won't say this is good, but still it's not a minus and it's already good. Let's leave the deal amounts. I think it will be our last concept. Here we are, our last concept. Down deal, and we start our technical analysis. So what we see, upward trend here, and so what is, yeah, by alligator we see upward trend. By vertex is the same situation, so we open this deal based on our technical analysis. There's not much more to say here. Let's just see for our chart. We see that drawdown actually occurs upon reaching the resistance area. If anyone doesn't know, here's a dotted line when I move there over the candles. So we lower our, plus deal, good. Let's finish our trading session for today. I think it was very good. We increased our balance, and let's summarize it. We increased our balance. It was $51 at the beginning of our trading, and we have now more than $1,000. You can just imagine. So it's good. So we use two indicators, alligator and vortex. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I will be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.